What's going on, everybody? I just got a call from my weekly lawn person that I don't use for snow, and she got rid of her snow guy, so I'm gonna be doing her snow from here on out. Right now, nobody touched it. As you can see, it's not touched. It is not touched. So I'm gonna take good care of her right now and get her out the way. That way, when Sunday come, go from there. It's all nice and clear. I'm gonna do the driveway, do the back deck, and then the front steps. So, catch y'all in a second. Okay, y'all, I just finished up. Took me about 45 minutes. Sidewalk clear. Very sunny out here. Sidewalk clear. I don't like rock salt, but it's what we got right now. I like the pellets. It's a lot easier. It's dust free. So right now we're using rock salt. I always do the end of the driveway because when the plow comes, they just leave it right there all the time. So I always clear that. Top of the deck is good. The driveway's all clear. Go from there.